Coronary artery disease or heart disease is the commonest disease the mankind is facing nowadays, particularly all over the world, and that too also particularly in India. And this is because of the abnormal lifestyle, because of the abnormal food habit, because of the sedentary habits, lack of exercise and smoking. So if you want to prevent the heart disease, there are few steps that you have to take in your day-to-day life. Like if you are a smoker, you have to stop smoking, and that is a total stoppage of smoking, not that by reducing the amount of smoking. First thing, if you are sedentary habit, if you are having a sedentary habit, if your job is just to in an office, air conditioned office, and you are only handling the mouse for your day-to-day job, what you have to do? You have to do half an hour brisk walking either in the early morning after waking up from the bed, or in the evening, late evening, whichever is possible for you. That is a must. If you are overweight, then your amount of exercise, your amount of work, amount of physical activity has to be increased to reduce the body weight. And that optimum body weight has to be calculated from your height and weight, and accordingly you have to reduce the body weight. Then diet. Now proper diet is the most important thing to prevent heart disease, and proper diet or heart-friendly diet consists of plenty of green vegetables, salads and fresh fruits every day with every meal, and you have to avoid the saturated fat like red meat, ghee, butter. These things you have to avoid, and at the same time you have to reduce the carbohydrates, that means bread, butter, rice, chapati, and because particularly when you are overweight, so that if you bring down the amount of carbohydrate, your body weight will come down, and then your chance of heart disease will be much less. Then regarding the checkup, whether you are having these problems or not, or whether you are having heart problem or not, you have to go for a regular checkup. Particularly you have to check up your blood pressure very frequently, and you have to keep your blood pressure 140/80 or below by taking proper diet, by taking medications, by taking regular exercise. And also you have to check your blood sugar regularly. Particularly most of the times you see the blood sugar is being detected without any symptoms. That means you are having diabetes without any symptoms, and if the blood sugar is high, you have to take care of, and you have to control the blood sugar by taking proper medications and exercise. Then another thing during your regular checkup, what is called cholesterol level. Cholesterol level, particularly the lipid profile and cholesterol triglyceride, that has to be checked regularly. If the cholesterol is high, that also has to be taken care of by proper exercise, by proper medicines, and by proper dietary manipulations. So if you follow these steps in your day-to-day life, then only you will be able to prevent the heart disease, and then you will also be able to prevent the sudden cardiac death, which is very common in our society. Thank you.